Okay, on the second video, I'm going to go through the exact procedure that I would use with anyone to chunk out their core values. And I realized that when I was doing the original video that I didn't do a demo. So let me share the screen here. And what we have here is your core is an example of lots and lots of core values. So I want you to look at this list, pause the video, look at this list, and pick out 5, maybe as many as 10 of your values, and just write them down and have them available. And once again, we're going to go through this list, just kind of like we were on a rowboat. And I'm just going to pick 5 things at random. I'm just going to pick accountability, and I'm going to pick gratitude, these are not my core values, safety, security, yes, I'll fix that typo. Safety, security, and one more, we'll just pick freedom, which seems to be really, really popular. But I can tell you, if freedom or money is at the #1 station, you may have difficulty making a commitment to do anything because it can influence your freedom. And if money is the only thing that you care about, you're going to have difficulty making friends and having relationships. But anyway, we'll just start right here. And what I want you to do, you can do this by yourself or you can do this with another person. And you just run the list and you just go, okay, I'm in my rowboat and I can have accountability or gratitude, pick one. And you're going to answer. So accountability or gratitude, accountability or gratitude. I'm going to pick accountability. Great. That's my #1. And you may have to circle around a couple of times until you get your #1. Whatever it is that you pick out may not actually be on your list. You could go accountability. Do I want accountability or adventure? Pick one. For me, I would pick adventure. Adventure or ambition. I would pick adventure. Adventure or authenticity. I would pick authenticity. And you go through this list, and it could take you some time to get through to get your #1. But once you have your #1, the rest of them are going to fall into alignment fairly simply. And just like I tell everybody else, if you need help, book a coaching call and we'll get you through this. I cannot emphasize how important it is for you to know what your core values are. And if you have any questions, great. And if not, go on to the coaching video.